smoker here. We're going to try to get this going. Hopefully I can do this without getting stung. So here's Adrian.
Hello everyone. Going to catch all the bee action here.
All the screaming.
Hopefully there won't be a lot of screaming. Let me step back and get it. Paul's got a protective hat and veil on, keep the bees out of his face. We were hoping the wind would die down. I guess it's
supposed to be able to light these things.
Died down a little bit. He is trying to light something here. Don't burn your gloves.
These are supposed to light and go in your bee smoker so you can smoke the bees, but it's not lighting.
How about a little bit of a cedar branch? You're just wanting smoke.
Well, hold on. Well, that ain't worth the crap. All right, let me see if I can get a piece of cedar here. Can we cut off somewhere?
Yes, there we go.
All right. So we're going to try to use this. And
hard to get out of the wind, isn't it?
We're having good luck today, aren't we? Might not even need this.
Yeah, actually that's something you should have started a little earlier, I guess.
Let's get some smoke going. All right. Guess you can get back a little bit.
Yeah. Get out of the
bees.
Yeah, I'm getting out of a getting out of direct. Alright, you might want to turn that upside down.
All right. So what they said you're supposed to
Hang on
do
just a second.
is spray them first with some sugar water. This is sugar water.
And then you shake them down. And
I don't know if they like that.
I don't think they like that.
All right.
Now here's a little can of syrup. Supposed to take that out.
All right, they're gonna probably
take a step backwards. You don't think you shook them down enough. Is that the queen? Are you squishing? Yeah.
Oh shit! That the queen? Come out already? No.
Now, if you squish one of these guys, they will sting you. They don't like to be squished. I had someone when I was young. Yeah, you're supposed to look in there and see how she looks. See if she's alive.
Yeah, okay, that's the queen.
Alright.
Alright, so...
Usually have something to suspend that from.
Yeah, it's this little metal pad.
Alright. Well,
okay, so...
You wanna hang that somewhere.
There's the cork.
So she's gonna eat her way out of that, probably. Maybe. I wouldn't take it open now.
Well, that... Where's the other cork at? Alright, here's the queen. That's the queen bee. So all you guys looking for a queen bee, that's the queen bee right there. So yeah, they can't can't. I'll have to spray them again. So I need, I do have this. Don't want to let her out, but...
Yeah, you're supposed to leave her several days before you take
the
the cork
wax
out.
cork? Okay, they're going to eat that?
Yeah, wax it, they can get through it. And you can always check in a few days, see if they've made it through. Yeah, she's very active.
I thought she'd be bigger than that. It's really not that big. All right, so what I'm going to do...
So there's some buzzing around.
I'm going to put her in here. I'm going to bend this over.
Woo! This one's getting real close to me.
Huh. Well, I don't know how to do that. I just have to...
Just have to squish it up against there.
Well, because they're going to need to be able to feed her.
Huh.
If you do it like that, they won't be able to...
There's nowhere to feed her anyway, is there?
They got to feed her through the screen.
Oh, huh. That's kind of inconvenient, isn't it?
Yeah, let me see if I can move this. See, they said there's supposed to be a cork at both ends, but there's not.
That's why he said use a drill, make a little hole.
It's got holes in it. I don't want to let her out. If I let her out, then that's gonna...
Yeah.
Okay. So... I guess I can just, should be some way to suspend them. I can do that.
Let me come around here. They're trying to find a way in over here in your entrance way there.
So there they can get to them that way.
Woo.
All right.
Yeah. got a fella I guess there's no fellas in there. All queens, all women.
Okay, so the thing is underneath. They can get around to her. They can do what they need to do there. So I got that there. This thing's smoking. It ain't doing crap. All right, I'm gonna spray them down again. All right, so let me.
These guys, they're trying to figure out where the queen went.
Okay, so
The queen's over here somewhere. I guess that's why he shakes some down on top of the queen.
well, they'll figure it out. I just want to get this ready here. Well, they'll find her because they can smell her, I think. Well, if I leave that, I just want to keep that box from... I just don't want it falling because the cork's on the bottom.
Oh, I don't think it's going to fall. It's going to put a lot of pressure on there.
Yeah. Let's see, there's nothing. This is frustrating. First time I've done this, folks, so never had bees before, and I want to make sure I do this right.
Well, if you just lay it on the bottom.
Well,
down there.
I could, but then they're all going to clump around her.
Well, they're going to clump around her wherever she is.
I know. They got to be able to feed her, so if I can wedge this in here.
get to that screen?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can get on there. Alright, so let me
Let me step back here.
2. Okay, so I'm gonna dump them there. Alright, this is gonna be fun. Fun. Alright. Alright, here we go. Dumping the honeybees.
Oh yeah. Think I'll step back just a little. Woo! Alright. Sorry about that. One was heading straight for me.
Alright. Still.
Whew. I'm going to go back around this way. See, they're swarming all over the place trying to find how to get in there. Alright, there's a better view.
Where's my room?
They make some buzzing. Oh, you're going to squish one.
Well,
Oh.
some of them's going to get squished.
See, do it slow and they'll move out of the way.
There's my other frames.
Oh. Huh. Nothing wanting to go in. There we go.
They don't have any smoker. Sugar water.
No?
That looks like a drone.
You don't want to drown them, huh?
Alright. Some of them will.
So this is a horizontal hive as compared to the stackable vertical hives.
Alright, so I'm going to have to put this in front of the hive so they can
see what the buzz is all about. Huh? Yeah, I would leave that in there because there's a lot that's
I'm
still
going to
in.
put it here so they can.
Well, they can't get in there though.
Yeah, they can get in here.
I thought you had it blocked off. Alright.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and close it up. Shit, we got some down in here.
Alright. What's your language, mister?
Oh, sorry about that. What did I say? Oh, I squished one.
Yes, you did.
Sorry.
Be careful when you pick them up because they can still, you can get that stinger in you. They will take care of their own casualties.
Some of them just kind of. All right, it's already on top. All right, so I should find the queen in there. She's good. Yeah. All right. Okay, folks, give us a big thumbs up. We got the bees in. You can see them buzzing. Never did this before, so this is kind of a little bit nerve-wracking. So anyway, well, I got to close this up now.
Yeah.
And, they'll have to come around the front.
Nobody got stung so far.
They got stung today, so that's good. All right. Hopefully we're good to go there. Just want to make sure everything's good. They can get to the water. The honey. Yeah, the syrup can was out.
Huh. Yeah, that's why they were getting agitated.
Yeah. All right.
All right, we'll show them how the roof works.
So here we go.
There we are.
So I can get it. So I'm back. Here we go. Here's the rest of the bees. Hopefully they can find the hole there and get into the hive. Yeah. Hopefully they'll figure it out. But there we go. So anyway, folks, this is our horizontal beehive. I built this 2 years ago. And we need some honeybees for our garden. And hopefully these guys will be okay. I'm going to check back in 4 or 5 days and make sure everything's good. So God bless you. Thank you for watching the video. We didn't get stung, so God bless you. We'll see you later. This is Off-Grid Desert Farming with Paul and Adrian. Don't be caught dead without Jesus. Bye-bye.